Where is she? I see her. There she is. What's Elvis talking about? Where's Madison? Where'd she go? I see her peeping around the corner. There she is. There she is. Hi. What's she doing, Pumpkin? Ha. You were playing Peepa. You are quick. You were playing Peepa. What you doing? Hello. Oh, Elvis has got his bone. He wants to be on TV too. He wants to be on the video too. Hey, Elbow. Hey, Madison. Step down. Hey, Elvis. Elvis has a new bone. Yeah.